welcome back to my channel today. I know I say this in every video, but it has been a while, and if you're still rocking with me, if you're still watching my videos, guys, thank you so much. I'm still trying to find that, like, the groove of trying to balance, like, working, mom, YouTube, me time. So today it's just gonna be like a little small clip or a short video. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat for breakfast and meal prep my salmon for the rest of the week, or for the rest of the week. So I'm actually working from home today, and I'm on my lunch break. It's 12:26, so I have until 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna show you guys in that 30-minute span that we have. We're gonna make breakfast, we're gonna have some super reds, and we're gonna meal prep salmon. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, again, I know you guys do understand me, and you guys understand, like, the crazy busy life of, like, working, being a mom, trying to be a content creator. It's so crazy, and just trying to find that good balance. So thank you guys for understanding. Hopefully in the near future I'll get it together, and then I'll be posting like I did before. So anyway, let's start off prepping salmon. Yeah, let's do that. So I usually don't buy salmon that is this big and expensive. So this is from Sam's Club, and this one was $31. And usually when I buy salmon, I try to stay in like the $20 to $25 range, but this was literally the smallest and cheapest. So we're gonna go ahead and make this. So this is just skinless salmon. Again, it was $31 from Sam's Club. So we can chit chat a little while we do this. So yeah, how is everyone? Please leave me a comment. Let me know how everyone is. So I actually, like, watch a lot of YouTube videos as well, even though I haven't been posting. Every day I'm, like, watching videos, and I have my favorites. So I want to know whose your favorites are on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, whether they're big or small or whatever, leave me a comment, let me know, because I'm into, like, food, like what I eat in a day videos, like the videos I make. I'm into weight loss. I'm also into, like, the day in the life of people. So I cut the salmon to about, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches. And yes, I know, guys, I have gained weight in the past few months since I've been working. I've been trying to move my body. I'm literally sitting down 8 hours a day, and thank God for my Apple Watch. I love my Apple Watch because it does tell me, like, hey, you need to get up, like, you need to move around, you need to make your steps, you need to walk. So I really do like that, but it's just so hard when I'm, like, constantly, like, so busy at my desk. I noticed that the way I feel, like, you know, like, I literally haven't been to the gym in weeks, and I definitely feel it. So I've been trying to balance it out with, like, my eating, but I feel like if you are on a weight loss journey, you need to be on a calorie deficit. Like, you need, in order to lose weight, you need to be on a calorie deficit, and you need to burn more calories than what you consume. So that's just kind of like what I'm struggling right now, trying to, like, find time to exercise and, like, move my body. But anyway, yeah, let's season the salmon. So I just have my basic seasonings, and then I also am going to use avocado oil, which I know that this is, like, one of the best oils to use. But I just wanted to use up my huge thing of olive oil first before I spend money on avocado oil, because avocado oil is expensive. So kids are doing amazing. It's summertime. Mike is out of school, so he's in summer camp. Kyrie is in daycare. Jamal works. I work. It's been so crazy. It's been so hectic since I've started this new job, and I love it. So I don't know, I've never really talked about, like, my corporate job or my 9-to-5 job on YouTube, but I have been working for a hospital a huge hospital here in Pittsburgh. So if you live in Pittsburgh, you know. If you know, you know. There's like only 2 major hospitals here. And I've been working for them for 4 years, since 2019. And so this is my second role. Like I've been in a different department for 3 years, and then you guys know that I stopped working for about 6 months to try to pursue content creating full time, and that was hard. We'll talk about that in a different video. That was hard. So anyway, I'm back with the hospital, but I am in a different department. I'm working for the Women's Hospital, and I am the financial coordinator and authorization specialist for IUIs. So I really love what I've been doing for the last 2 months. I really love it. And maybe I'm just like still on this high of like, I don't know, this like work high, but I really love what I do, and I love the people and my boss, and I love it. And I'm really happy to wake up at 5:30 in the morning each day, drive into work, clock in at my office. My office is just me. It's quiet. I love it. It just gives me that peace and that quiet that I haven't had for a long time. So, and then I get to work from home whenever I want, so that's really nice. But I really do enjoy like going into the office. All right, so here's what I did. I put the salmon all in one tray or one pan, and I'm gonna throw it in the oven. So right now, okay, it's 12:42. So that only took me like 12 minutes. So that's good. And the oven is ready. So we're gonna throw this in here. Okay, so I'm gonna throw these 2 pieces of Jimmy Dean pork sausage patties in the air fryer. My low carb tortillas, I love. I cannot live without that. So we're gonna have a scoop of Super Reds with marine collagen. This is in the delicious flavor of hibiscus lemonade. 1 serving contains 100% of your daily vitamin C, and it helps fight inflammation. All of the deliciousness and health benefits of juicing, but without the sugar. It only has 15 calories and 2 grams of net carbs per serving. So I'm gonna pair my breakfast with a cup of hibiscus lemonade by Perfect Keto. It is their Super Reds, and it is such a great antioxidant drink. I love having this, and I also love their electrolytes, their Perfect Keto electrolytes as well. But this is nice because it tastes like lemonade. If you guys want to try it, Perfect Keto is having a 2-day flash sale on their website right now where you can get a subscription of the Super Reds, and you'll get up to 40% off the subscription. That way you never run out. It will be mailed right to you, and it's just nice to have on hand, especially during the summer. Oh my gosh, all of my like timers are going off right now. It's keto friendly. There's only 15 calories per serving. It's just super refreshing. Again, especially during the summer days where you want to have something that tastes good, that's good for you, that's low in sugar, low in carbs, and refreshing. So this is what you need. So again, you'll get 40% off of your first month's subscription when you subscribe to the Super Reds. You do need a discount code. It's super 40. Again, I'll put it on the screen here. It's Super 40, and you'll get 40% off of your first month subscription when you subscribe to the Super Reds subscription. So then we'll add the eggs right on top. We'll make like a little burrito. And then we've got our 2 pieces of sausage. And then we're gonna add some of this 2 times spicy hot sauce. But this is going to be breakfast this morning, guys. I've got my side of Super Reds in the hibiscus lemonade flavor. We've got 2 pieces of Jimmy Dean pork sausage, 3 large strawberries, and eggs on a tortilla wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this and then work, and then we'll check on the salmon in a little bit. Look how good that looks. It's done. Ooh, look at that. I didn't put any butter on, just the avocado oil, but yeah, these are done. I'm gonna let it sit out, and then I'm gonna just put it in a container. So I have a good, what, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, so that's good. I'm gonna use this as a meal prep. So I usually pack my lunch every morning before I head to work. I don't know, I don't like packing my lunch like the day before or like days in advance. I feel like the food just like, it doesn't seem fresh, and it's not fresh, but like I don't know, I just feel like making it in the morning is just like so much better. So as we go, as the days go by, each morning I'll meal prep. I'll do something different. Maybe I'll have it with some veggies, have it on a salad, maybe some cauliflower rice, maybe a little wrap, I don't know. So anyways, I'm glad that I got this taken care of so I don't have to worry about lunch for the next 4 or 5 days, but yeah. Alright guys, so I have my salmon here. I'm gonna throw this in the fridge, and then we'll have this for the rest of the week. Okay guys, so now it's 3:30 and I am done with work. So I feel like my days just go by so fast, but like they're so boring, which is why I just like don't have the motivation to pick up the camera, because my days aren't like they used to be, where I'm just like filming my whole day and I'm doing things all day. But I actually kind of like what I just did today, where I just like kind of filmed my, you know, 30-minute like breakfast and like meal prep. So if you liked this video, leave me a comment, let me know. I would rather make videos like this to at least, you know, give you guys like content and like different ideas of what I make and eat, rather than wanting to like film a whole day and then midday I just like don't film, so I like quit filming. So I feel like this is like good, like, you know, if I can just get like a couple of these videos up a week, I feel like that would make everyone really happy, including myself. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, I will make more. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.